As a hedge fund manager, I'm often asked, what are the secrets to getting rich? There are three secrets to getting rich. Okay. The first one is have people better than you working for you. How do you do that? Well, you invest in companies where people are smarter than you. You might invest in an Apple or a Microsoft or whatever else. Those people are incredibly good. As a shareholder, they're my employees. They're working for me. Okay. That's the first thing. The second thing is you could invent something. I've invented a piece of software for the UK's largest private investor software company, which has won awards from the Financial Times and so on. I approached them. I said, look, I've got some software. I need a distributor. Can we co-brand, right? Invention. That's more difficult for most people. Number three, gamble. Don't do that. Don't gamble. Don't speculate, right? When I used to write my Financial Times column, people would say to me, I need to make a lot of money in a very short space of time. If you need to make a lot of money in a very short space of time, you're going to end up gambling and you're going to lose, right? Most people gambling lose. Don't do that one. By just not even doing that, you're probably going to end up in one of the other two, doing one of the other two. And that's going to be the essence of it.